Hi everyone, welcome back to Jewelry Making Fun collaboration hosted by Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More, aka Deb Hoke's Crafty Cottage. Deb Hoke here on YouTube. Everyone is participating will be in the description box. Please click on it and see what they have created. I'm sure it's something very lovely. For the month of March, our colors were white smoke, cream, pistachio, steel blue, dark blue, and charcoal. You only have to pick two colors, and we had challenge. Our challenge was to use gemstones, and then the second challenge was to use try a new technique that you haven't tried before. So whatever you haven't tried, basically polymer clay, resin, macrame, cabochon, wire wrapping, bead weaving. I promise you all, I wanted to do something different, but I had an injury to my thumb in February, and it's still not working properly. And I'm gonna show you why I said that. But I chose to use pistachio and white. The white is this color right here, and the pistachio is the green. And I feel like this. So we got a color palette, right? So white, and it has like three or four colors. Each color has three or four colors in it, and you can pull from those. So those that is what I use. I use charcoal, and here it is right here. And I think it came out really pretty. I will wear this at some point. I like it. I wanted to make some stack bracelets, but I could not find my wire and bead crimps and stuff like that in a timely manner. I couldn't do that. I couldn't find that. I use these little spacers. I use these pieces from Hobby Lobby, and then I use this from Michaels. I wanted to do more, but because of my thumb injury, I had a hard time manipulating the tools. I'm left-handed. I always have to say that because my right hand works fine, but it's not the hand I use. So I had a hard time wire twisting these, and you all know I've made these kind of bracelets before, so no big deal. So I have to redo this, but I didn't want to come up empty-handed with the project. So this is my project. Everybody's participating will be in a description box. If you cannot click on it, like if you can't be linked to it by clicking on it, just take copy and paste that name, and it'll show the person's YouTube channel. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. Please click on the description box to see what everyone else has made. Until next time, happy crafting.